Associativity. Associativity is like commutativity, but for three numbers. Let's check it out. Let's check associativity for whole numbers for the addition operation. Is 5 plus 0 plus 3 into bracket equal to 5 plus 0 into bracket plus 3? Let's solve. We will have 5 plus 3 which equals 8. Whereas 5 plus 0 is 5 plus 3 which again equals 8. Yes, no matter which two numbers you add first, the answer does not change. So in general, if we consider the first three numbers as A, B and C, we can write it as A plus B plus C into bracket equals A plus B bracket plus C. Therefore, addition is associative. Now let's check associativity for whole numbers for the subtraction operation. 8 minus 1 minus 3 will be 8 minus 1 minus 3 will be equal to minus 2. So 8 minus minus 2 will be 10, that is 8 plus 2, 10. Whereas 8 minus 1 into bracket minus 3 can be further written as 8 minus 1 will be 7 minus 3 which is 4. So the expression are not equal. 10 is not equal to 4. So what you do first matters. So we can say A minus B minus C into bracket is not equal to A minus B into bracket minus C. Therefore, subtraction is not associative. Let's check associativity for whole numbers for the multiplication operation. Is 7 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 5 into bracket equal to 7 multiplied by 2 into bracket multiplied by 5? Let's check. So we will have 7 multiplied by 2 5s are 10, 7 10s are 70, whereas 7 2s is 14 multiplied by 5, 14 multiplied by 5, the answer is 70. Yes, no matter which two numbers you multiply first, the answer does not change. Therefore, A multiplied by B multiplied by C into bracket equals A multiplied by B into bracket multiplied by C. Therefore, multiplication is associative. Now let's check for division. 6 divided by 2 divided by 5 into bracket. It can be written as 6 divided by 2 upon 5. If you solve it further, it will be 6 multiplied by reciprocal of 2 upon 5, which will be 5 upon 2. So further we will have the answer as 30 divided by 2. If you want, you can still further write it as 15. Let's check the other side. 6 divided by 2 into bracket divided by 5 can be further written as 6 divided by 2, that is 3, divided by 5. So the answer is 3 upon 5. So the expression here are not equal. So what you do first does matter. Therefore, we can say A divided by B divided by C into bracket is not equal to A divided by B into bracket divided by C. Therefore, division is not associative. Similarly, let us now check associativity for natural numbers. If we check associativity for natural numbers for all the operations, we see that addition is associative, subtraction is not associative, multiplication is associative, whereas division is not associative. So associativity property for natural number for all the operation is exactly same like that for the whole numbers. Let us now check associativity for integers for the addition operation. Let's take a look. Negative 3 plus 1 plus minus 2 into bracket can further be written as minus 3 plus 1 plus into minus will be minus 2. So 2 minus 1 will be 1 sign of greater number. Further, after solving, we have the answer as negative 4. Whereas minus 3 plus 1 into bracket plus minus 2 can further be written as minus 2 plus minus 2, which equals minus 4. So both the expressions are equal here. Therefore, we can say a plus b plus c into bracket equals a plus b into bracket plus c. Therefore, addition is associative. So no matter which two integers you add first, the answer does not change here. Let us now check for subtraction. Negative 7 minus 2 minus 5 can be written as minus 7 minus 2 minus 5 will be minus 3. So we will have minus 7 minus into minus plus 3, which is equal to minus 4. Whereas the other side, minus 7 minus 2 into bracket minus 5 can be further written as minus 9 minus 5, which is equal to negative 14. So both the expressions are not equal. So what you subtract first does matter. Therefore, subtraction is not associative. Let's check for multiplication. 3 multiplied by negative 2 multiplied by 5 into bracket. Let's check if this will be equal to 3 multiplied by negative 2 into bracket multiplied by 5. So we will have 3 multiplied by 2 5s are 10, that is minus into plus minus. 3 10s are 30, that is negative 30. Whereas the other side we will have 3 2s are 6 minus 6 multiplied by 5. 6 5s is 30 minus into plus minus 30. So no matter which two integers you multiply first, the answer remains the same on both the sides. Therefore, multiplication is associative. Now let's check for division. Negative 8 divided by 2 divided by 3, whether it is equal to negative 8 divided by 2 into bracket divided by 3. Let's check. Negative 8 divided by 2 divided by 3 can be written as 2 upon 3. So after solving, we will have negative 8 multiplied by reciprocal of 2 upon 3, which will be 3 upon 2. So we have the answer as negative 24 upon 2, which is equal to negative 12. Whereas minus 8 divided by 2 equals minus 4 divided by 3 can be written as minus 4 upon 3. So here the expressions are not equal. Therefore, division is not associative. Let's check associativity for rational numbers now. When adding more than two rational numbers, it does not matter which two numbers you add. We group them at a time. Let's take an example here. 1 upon 7 plus 2 upon 7 plus 3 upon 7 into bracket equals 1 upon 7 plus 2 upon 7 into bracket plus 3 upon 7. Let's check if both the expressions are equal or no. So 1 upon 7, after solving the bracket, we will have the answer as 5 upon 7. Since the denominators are same, we can directly add them. We will have the answer as 6 upon 7. Whereas in the right hand side, 1 upon 7 plus 2 upon 7, after adding, we will have the answer as 3 upon 7 plus 3 upon 7, which equals 6 upon 7. Therefore, addition is associative. Let us now check for subtraction. 5 upon 10 minus 3 upon 10 minus 1 upon 10 into bracket. Let's check if this will be equal to 5 upon 10 minus 3 upon 10 into bracket minus 1 upon 10. So after solving the bracket, 3 minus 1, we have 2 upon 10. So we have the denominators common here. So 5 minus 2 will be 3 upon 10. Let's solve the other side. 5 minus 3 will be 2 upon 10 minus 1 upon 10. Further, we have the answer as 1 upon 10, which is not equal to 3 upon 10. So in this case, the expression is not equal. So what you do first does matter. Therefore, we can say a minus b minus c into bracket is not equal to a minus b into bracket minus c. Therefore, subtraction is not associative for rational number. Let us now check for multiplication. Minus 3 by 6 multiplied by 2 upon 7 multiplied by 1 upon 3 into brackets. Let's check if this will be equal to minus 3 upon 6 multiplied by 2 upon 7 into brackets multiplied by 1 upon 3. So in the left hand side, we will first solve the bracket part. So we will have minus 3 upon 6 multiplied by 2 ones will be 2, 7 3s are 21. So you simplify this still further. 2 and 6 will get cancelled, 3 and 21 also will get cancelled in the same table. So you simplify this term further, we have negative 1 upon 21. Let us now solve the right hand side. Negative 3 multiplied by 2, it will be 6, and then 6 7s are 42 multiplied by 1 upon 3. Simplify this term further, we have the answer as minus 1 upon 21. So here the expressions are equal, both the side we have got the same answer. Therefore we can say a multiplied by b multiplied by c into bracket is equal to a multiplied by b into bracket multiplied by c. Therefore multiplication is associative. Let us now check for division. Is 1 upon 7 divided by 2 upon 7 divided by 3 upon 7 into bracket equal to 1 upon 7 divided by 2 upon 7 into bracket divided by 3 upon 7. Let's check it out. So 1 upon 7 divided by 2 upon 7. Division will now become multiplication, and we will have to take a reciprocal of 3 upon 7, that is 7 upon 3. Whereas the other side, we will have 1 upon 7 multiplied by reciprocal of 2 upon 7 will be 7 upon 2 divided by 3 upon 7. 1 upon 7 divided by 7 and 7 will get cancelled in the bracket, so we have 2 upon 3 which is remaining. Solve it further, we have the answer as 3 upon 14, that is 1 upon 7 multiplied by 3 upon 2, reciprocal of 2 upon 3. So after multiplying, we get the answer as 3 by 14. Let us now check in the right hand side. 7 and 7 will get cancelled in the bracket, so we have 1 upon 2 that is remaining multiplied by reciprocal of 3 upon 7 will be 7 upon 3. So we will have 7 1s are 7, 2 3s are 6. So the expression here is not equal. Therefore, what you do first does matter. We can say a divided by b divided by c into bracket is not equal to a divided by b into bracket divided by c. Therefore, division is not associative. Thank you, students.